what's up gamers? Welcome back and enjoy watching the best guides on YouTube. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to totally upgrade your Minecraft look by changing your skin. That's right, if you're tired of looking like Steven or Alex, I got you back covered with a quick and easy guide on this topic, how to change your skin in Minecraft and add a little bit of style, making the skin looking like truly you. Alright, step 1 is all about getting your hands on your new skin. So where do you find the skins? Well, the options are endless. You can go to skin websites like NameMC or MinecraftSkins.com. These sites are packed with thousands of free skins, from superheroes to memes to even costume designs. There is something for everyone. Look at all these options. But hey, if you're feeling creative, you can also make your own skin using Skin Editor. Just search for Minecraft Skin Editor. You can design your character from scratch. Once you found your dream skin, you just click on it and hit the download button. This will download the skin file to your computer and you're one step closer to look fabulous. Right, now comes the fun part, changing your skin in Minecraft. So that's what you're gonna do. First, open up the Minecraft Java edition, and at the upper side of the launcher you're gonna locate up the skins and press on it. You'll see a plus icon. Go ahead and click that and select the skins file you downloaded earlier. Make sure it's the PNG file, not the zip file or any other weird format. And now you are ready for the big reveal. I bet you're going to look amazing. Hit the save and launch Minecraft. And bam, you're officially looking banging in Minecraft. Go ahead and load up the world or join a server to show your brand new style. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial, how to change your Minecraft skin. I hope you're all set up with this information. Thank you a lot for watching, and if you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comments. Bye bye!